Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fill with Polygel. This is my friend Rachel. I did her nails about 2.5 weeks ago and so far they've held up really nice. I'm just going to take my Chiaroscuro e-file and I'm going to be removing this design. I'm also using the Young Nails dust collector. I'm going to turn the sound on here for you in just a second so you can hear how noisy it is. I didn't find it to be overly noisy. We were still able to talk and carry a conversation, so it really wasn't bad. I want to say I got this for about $100 on the Young Nails website when they had their flash sale in April. So I really wanted to give it a try and yeah, just take a listen. It's really not bad at all. It's actually quieter than the one that I got from Amazon, and it is a little bit smaller too. It sits a little bit flatter to the table. My other one was a little bit taller and it made it kind of more difficult to file because I was kind of adjusting my arms in a way that hurt my back trying to file off like nail sets. So this one is actually pretty decent and so far I really like it. So for her design today, she wanted something pink with glitter, and I've been dying to try that Peekaboo glitter. I tried it on myself not that long ago and it failed miserably. So I'm going to try it with Polygel today, and I have to say I really love the results. Now that that has been removed, I'm going to go in and do some more nail prep. I pushed back the cuticles and now I'm taking my cuticle ball bit and further removing some of that cuticle area. Any excess skin that might be on the nail plate, any dead skin around the area, we're going to take that off so we don't experience any lifting. This is a crucial step in any nail extension process, so do not skip this step. She also wanted a shape change, something more coffin and square. And so I'm just going to take my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file after that and I'm going to reshape the nails. I'm loving how clean and ready for application these nails are looking. So now I'm going to go in with some base coat. Whenever you use Polygel, you do need base coat. This is so the Polygel can stick to your nail. I'm going to apply that to all of the nails and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. For today's set, I'm going to be using Evie's Patty Gel. So I'm going to be using Sweet Life and also So Cute. First, I'm going to be taking that Sweet Life and I'm going to be placing that in the cuticle area, just using some rubbing alcohol to smooth that down and thin it out. I'm also going to be taking some glitter pieces and just making this more sparkly. You really want to be kind of strategic of where you're putting the glitter pieces. You don't just want to slap it on there, but just kind of cover everything but also leave open space, if that makes sense, because you want some of that Sweet Life to peek through, and these glitters are just going to enhance everything and make these nails really pop. Once I'm happy with the way that that looks, I'm just going to go on to the other nails and finish those up. You don't really need to cure in between. Polygel doesn't move. It's not runny or anything like that. So if you're worried about messing up the design that you did on the other nail, then I would suggest curing for maybe 15 or 30 seconds. But I wasn't really worried about ruining it, so I'm just going to move on to the other nails and then we'll do a full cure at the end when I'm finished with this hand. I love using Polygel. You have all the time in the world to just really perfect exactly what you're trying to perfect. You can put these pieces and take your time and not have to worry about it curing on you or running into the cuticle. If you're struggling with nails or acrylic or builder gel, I mean, start with Polygel. I started with Polygel before I branched out into anything else. And Polygel is the least intimidating for me. Like, I actually enjoy using Polygel. After I cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, I'm going to go in with another layer of base coat and cure that again for 60 seconds. This will create that sticky layer for the next layer of Polygel and also secure these glitter pieces down. Taking some So Cute now from the Evie Patty Gel, and I'm placing that in the cuticle area. We're basically creating an ombre to blend those glitters in with the rest of the nail. I am taking the bulk off. I don't want to really add any more thickness to the tip of the nail either. And I really want the glitters to be super sheer so we can see that through all of the hard work that we just did. And I just thought this color blended perfectly in with everything. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of builder gel and I'm just going to encapsulate the glitter part and just blend it in with the other polygel that I have on there. Again, I'm not trying to add any more thickness to the nail itself. I just want to cover those glitters so they don't get filed off.
What to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. This bed is out of space, just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining bright. I never wanna leave the sky. The way you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby, you're the light. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places.
I do most of the filing with my e-file, but now I'm going to go in with my hand file and just crispen up those edges, and then I'm going to take a buffing block and just buff up the surface of the nail.
Now that our surface is all clean, I'm going to take some bling gel and placing that on the ring finger. I'm going to add those really popular flowers that are going around right now. I think they are so cute, and I've been dying to use them, and I thought they would look perfect with this set. So I'm going to add a couple of those on each of the ring fingers, and then we're going to finish off with top coat.
I know that you think it's so important to convince everyone else that you're not boring, but it's making me feel like my skin is crawling. I keep pouring out my empathy to someone I don't even see eye to eye with. I don't mind if you don't have it all together. Yeah, I get it, we're all human, but I give you an inch and you take miles. It's tragic, ruining my sanity with tales of animosity. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and I swear I might die if I cared more, but you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spotlight. I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy one more night. Climbing up somebody else's ladder just to make yourself feel just a little bigger. I don't know if I've seen anything that's sadder. It's so hard to comprehend how you don't even understand. Stepping on me without even trying. Never seen somebody get so good at lying. It's impressive you don't spend all your time crying over all the ways you let me down. So many I could drown, but I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and I swear I might die if I cared more, but you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spotlight. I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than
Seriously, look how cute these are. I am obsessed. I think they look so beautiful. I just love the way that they came out. Did a much better job than I did last time, I'll admit it. Everything about the glitter peeking through, the pink, it's just executed so much better, and I love it. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this set, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!